BatchBee makes it easier to create Etsy digital products, like coloring pages. First, we select the project and open the dashboard. Then we go to Settings and choose the workflow preset for this coloring pages project. Because this is the first time we are preparing this Etsy setup, we create the template draft once. BatchBee will use this template later to create new coloring page listings automatically. After the Etsy template is ready, we go to the Designs page and select the Coloring Pages bundle. Here we choose the mockup files, select the featured cover design, and add the static preview images that will be used for the listing. Now the setup is ready, and we start the automation. This part is sped up. BatchBee prepares the files, creates the PDF output for the coloring pages, generates the mockups, uploads the files to Google Drive, creates the AI title, description, and SEO tags, and finally prepares the Etsy draft listing. When the run is complete, we review the results. Here we can open the generated PDF, check the coloring page contents, review the mockups, and see the uploaded output data. Nothing is published automatically. Everything stays as a draft for final review. To try the workflow yourself, download BatchBee for Mac and Windows at batch-bee.com.